Hi, good morning. It's Tanny the Canadian Stamper. Welcome to Saturday morning crafting. It's a special day today. I'm celebrating my birthday palooza this week, and we're gonna make a card with this one. Decorative trees. I think the dies are what make this set bundle kind of really cool. And I'd also recommend the sticker sheets. So last weekend, we used these sticker sheets. So if you have or are going to get this decorative trees bundle, I recommend those sheets. I'm using one today, so I can show you again how to use it, but they're pretty intricate and they're pretty cool. So let's get crafting. I have the craft and chat here at 10 o'clock, and I've got to go get my friend Jan. So we're going to make a card with this. So decorative trees. It's a photopolymer stamp set. This tree is like a hollow, which is good, so the stamp isn't going to super stick down. And it's got nice scripty fonts. This one's Oh Christmas Tree, which you can, it's nice to use as a background stamp. Now, let me bring up your comments. The dies, which you can see here. So I take a photocopy of my dies before they kind of go into circulation, because if I'm missing one, then I will know if it's been missing. All right, let's look at these. So look at all these dies you get. So this is 4 trees. I've got some cut out, so I'm going to show you what they look like. I also recommend, so one of the attachments, so this is your take your pick tool, and you can get different attachments, which just kind of screw into the base. This is a really sharp knife. And so with take your pick tool, you can just swap out the different ends. Anyways, once upon a time, I bought a rolly, the end where it's got little bristles, and you can put it over here and you roll it. I cannot find it. Actually, I haven't been able to find it for several months. I should just get a new one because it's lost in the vat of my crafting area. So the other part of the dies, so these are 2 pieces like this. This is very dainty to do some pretty elegant pieces. And then this is for garland to go around the tree. This is a bow, it cuts out there, your little baubles. And then these are bows that you can put on. So that's what we're working with today. Okay, let me show you some of my, I need my comments. I'm gonna show you a few of my birthday cards that I got. Oh, I see you. Hi, good morning. So this is one card that I got from my friend Pam. Pam, I hope you're having an amazing time on your cruise. But that's pretty. This is new paper from the new catalog that came out. This is from my friend Erica. Check out this fun fold. It's fun, right? It's different. I've never seen one like that. Yeah. That one. Who's this one from? That's Christy and Peter. And this one I got last night. We went out to a comedy show. I got this one from Michael and Trisha, but look how fun these are. So anyways, we talked yesterday. Hi, Michael and Trisha. Listen, I said I was going to maybe case this, which means copy. Okay, I forgot I said that until I saw it and I went, oh, crud. Anyways, this will be a card in the future, taking rolls of paper to make candles. It's really fun. So thank you for those. All right, so let me show you, I need a piece of paper. Let me just show you, I'm just gonna take out a piece of paper so that you can see these a bit better. So these are the die cuts. So it's just the basic, make sure I'm in the thing. Thanks for all the birthday wishes, everybody. Thank you. Okay, so I got a couple of those. Now, this is one of the bigger trees. And then this is a dainty one to go over it like that. And then I cut one out of glitter. So cool. Very glittery, very fun. Hi, Kim. Thanks for the birthday wishes. And then this one is it's really pretty. It's snowflakes. This one I'll show it better. So you'll see the sticker sheets are important, I think. And then there's this piece. It's so dainty. So for example, you would do this. Like this and like this. It's pretty, right? And then there's this one. Yeah. So that's a little sneak peek at what the dies do. All right. Hi, Lori. Thank you for the birthday wishes. All right. So here's our stuff for today and our glue. Standard A2 size card base. Well, actually, that's not true. It's this way. So it's an 8.5 by 11, cut at 4 1/4, scored at 5.5. So I'll put the measurements and this tutorial in my newsletter that'll go out tomorrow. Now, the Crafty Fall Social, September 21st. If you haven't registered for that one yet, there's still space. And then the bonus class, a little bit of festive afterwards. So, and the bonus class you can do either in person or you can have it to go. So we'll mail you all the kits and the videos, and everybody that goes to the class gets a instant PDF download of templates. So this piece is this embossing folder. So the snowflakes. Now, I've got a piece of glitter, obviously, and then here's, so this, you can see the green and then the white, so that's where my sticker is doing its thing. So I'm just gonna peel this off, and then it's gonna stick down. Oh my gosh, look at that happy little accident. In those other pieces, I was taking my pokey tool and poking them all out, but look at that. Brings it right out. Oh, I should walk and show you, gosh, don't let me forget. Walk and show you the cards for the Craft and Chat today. We'll do a little roadie. Okay, so that's the sticker now. Sticky. And that's it. Gosh, so much better than trying to fuss with glue. Love it. Now, I wasn't really sure what's happening with the sentiment. So I think what we're gonna do is something like this. And then we're gonna throw this on, and that's gonna be it. Okay, so let's chop this. Yeah, Crafty Fall Social. Kate and I are madly planning. It's gonna be fun. Who has had a look at the new catalog and has a favorite? Whoops. I'm kind of digging some of the online exclusives. That's kind of my jam right now, online exclusives. Okay, I don't have any super big plans today for the birthday weekend. I have, what do I have going on? Maybe go for a hike later? That's about it. We're gonna have dinner later. So this ribbon is called Satin Ribbon. It's really pretty. It's got gold, cherry cobbler and gold. So I tried to get the bow as small as possible so it didn't overpower the tree. We're gonna use a glue dot. What's everybody else doing this weekend? What's happening? It's kind of getting down to the wire for yard work. I went out to go put some of the craft and chat cards out, and Lance and Christy had decorated for my birthday out there, which you'll see, which is fun. All right, we're gonna pop up our tree, and then we're very close to being done. I don't know, what do you guys think about this bow? Keep the bow or don't keep the bow? That's the question. Yes or no to the bow? And then this is gonna go like that. Yep, I dig it. Then we gotta sort out the sentiment. I was being indecisive with this card. There. All right, let's do a little embellishment and then let's decide. All right, so keep the bow. Trisha says keep the bow. Okay, I'm gonna do some of these red gems. I don't even know if I need a sentiment. I feel like one needs to go there. Sure, let's do one. We're gonna use Cherry Cobbler ink, so it's matchy-matchy. And I have a scrap piece of paper, and I have a Very Merry Christmas. Now, if you wanted to get really fancy, you could not your alcohol blends, but your Stampin' Right markers. So Stampin' Right markers are the same, are filled with the same ink that's in the ink pads. And what you can do is, when you have a stamp like this, let's say you want this, a very and Christmas to be red, but you want Merry to be green, or vice versa, take your Stampin' Right markers on your stamp and color the stamp the color that you want it to be, then breathe on the stamp and stamp it down, and then you'll have a red and green sentiment. Fancy. I'm gonna try doing this because it's almost like a little tree, you know? Is that silly? Oh, I think it's clever. Let's see if it works. No, it does not work. Oh, I've messed that up now, haven't I? Now what will I do? So the comedy show that we went to last night, my cheeks were hurting. It was pretty funny. It was at the Mint, which is downtown Victoria. Okay, this is garbage. I need a new one. And my only feedback for the Mint is that it's really hot in there, folks. It was so hot. But top-notch entertainment for sure. And the food was good. Christy and I shared a sticky what was it? Ginger. Oh my gosh. Something with sticky rice and chicken and a peanut sauce. What the heck am I doing here? I'm gonna regret this, but let's do it anyways. It's like paper piecing? Paper piecing? Sure, let's see how this goes. Ha ha ha. So I'm using my mini dimensionals. Thanks for the birthday wishes. What else do I have to tell you about? So if you need a copy of the new catalog, I am mailing those out or dropping them off, whichever. Oh, and last weekend we went to the football game. I did post a few photos. It was pretty cool. It was really hot, but having having been in Italy at 1,000,000 degrees, I was oddly prepared for the weather. By the way, I don't recommend doing your sentiment like this. I'm kind of committed. I was being indecisive earlier in my design phase. Well, I don't know, maybe it'll work out. We'll see. You can be the judge. Okay, so if you are going to do this, don't cut the A so small that your mini dimensional doesn't fit. It's kind of cute though, I think. All right. We're done. I'm going to do a roadie. Okay, I don't hate it. What do you think? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. And we're keeping the bow. Trisha says keep the bow. Even if you're on the replay, do a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to do the inside of your card if you wish. Okay, that's it, I think. So let me show you. Let's go for a little walk. Okay, here's the catalog. Last weekend I didn't have it. This is what the new catalog looks like. So those are available if you wish. I'll show you some of my birthday decorations too. I'm coming in, lads, live. So here's what the Crafty Fall Social or Craft and Chat looks like. We've got spots, and then what you do is these are all the cards, and you grab a basket like this. You put it at your station, and then you grab a kit from back here, which has all the pieces that you need, and you make the card. You follow it right there. So there's that one. That's using the golden greenery. Then this is the one that we did last weekend with the puffy birthday pieces. This is using Simply Said and Planted Paradise. So I've got this embossed back here. This one I love. So this is Daffodil Delight, Pumpkin Pie, and Cherry Cobbler down here. And then this one is really sweet. And this is the Trucking Along. Whoops, bit of a glare. So they've got some birthday decorations going on. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Thanks for joining me on my live. And sign up for the Crafty Fall Social and a little bit of festive if you're interested in a class to go or in person. Kate and I would love to have you join us and craft, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.